The Indian Army symbolizes honor, valor, and courage. With about 1.1 million men and women serving, it is the second largest standing army in the world. In these dedicated hands lies the future of millions of Kashmiris inhabiting the border areas around the line of control. Battling high altitudes and freezing temperatures, the Jawans work round the clock to ensure security for the common man. What appears adventurous to us involves immense devotion and dedication. Being directly in the line of fire and braving inclement weather conditions that often lead to total isolation of army posts for months does not dissuade the Jawans from their duty. Landslides, storms, and avalanches are constant companions. Danger lurks everywhere. The soldiers undergo a rigorous physical training to be able to adapt to the surroundings. They are also given group counseling sessions and go through rigid mental exercise regimes to keep themselves alert. In between discharging their duties, the soldiers find time for candid evenings spent in conversation and games.
फ्री टाइम हम आपस में बातचीत करते रहते हैं, कोई पढ़ाई करते रहता है,
बाकी गेम्स वगैरह हैं, ताश गेम वगैरह
ऐसा
टाइम पास के लिए।
करते हैं। उतना तो टाइम मिलता है नहीं, चलो कोई पढ़ाई करते रहता है।
Some find solace in man's best friend, who is a loyal and helpful partner to the troops. Yet friends and families back home are a constant part of the soldiers' thoughts.
2 लीटर पढ़ना, पहला तो फोन वगैरह नहीं थे हमारे पास, तो वही लीटर 2 दिन पढ़ना, खुशी होना देना दिन में वही, और उससे अच्छा लगता था। 2 दिन तक बिल्कुल घर की याद नहीं थी, बहुत खुश लगता था। अभी क्या 1 सेकंड के अंदर बात करना खत्म हो जाता है, लेकिन पहला वो लीटर का बहुत अच्छा सुविधा था।
The bonds of friendship made here are the strongest. Every soldier has a buddy who looks out for him.
हमारा तो कोई है नहीं, बड़ी इसलिए तो बनाया हम लोगों ने कि जो भी मेरा सुख दुख है, उसका सुख दुख है, वो दोनों हम लोग आपस में बांट लेते हैं। उसकी हर प्रॉब्लम को मैं कोशिश करता हूँ मेरी तरफ से सॉल्व हो जाए, वो भी मेरी प्रॉब्लम समझता है, उसको भी सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करता है।
This companionship and shared cups of tea will last. But the tranquility of the environment can be shattered with just a bullet. So maybe when the stakes are so high, the only source of solace is God. Conscious of their duties both in times of war and peace, the Indian Army has launched the Sadbhavna mission, wherein it attempts to undertake basic welfare activities. Kashmiri youths are provided education free of cost at Army Goodwill schools.
क्योंकि मैम हम चाहते हैं कि हम अपने देश की सेवा कर सकें। जैसे मैम कभी कभी ऑफिसर मिल जाता है, उससे बात करते हैं, आपने एनजी कैसे ज्वाइन किया, क्या करना पड़ता है इसमें।
This small step has brought back smiles on faces who have known only terror till now. The medical camps are another way through which the army goes beyond its call of duty.
They are being organized quite regularly, frequently. Almost from the last 3 to 4 years we are doing this. and the response we are getting from the civil crowd, basically the civic population, is very good. Like usually medical camps we are doing, going to the villages and conducting the medical camps, and we do get a lot of patients, maybe in the range of say around each camp around 200 to 250 patients.
Free medical checkups are provided to the locals by way of these camps. Though they are trained for the worst, not all soldiers come back home. The army has lost many of its brave soldiers to the enemy's bullets and the unforgiving nature. Despite these harsh conditions, an Indian soldier knows no fear. While we celebrate the beauty of Kashmir, we must not forget that as we look up to the future that could be, there is someone living on the edge. The ceasefire and the Sadbhavna mission have together brought back something that had been long buried in the shadow of terror: hope.
माता तेरी कसम